Hey guys, John with Superior Realty Partners, back with another edition of Discover South County. Today we're going to check out bike therapy and talk to Doug to see all they have to offer here in Morgan Hill. All right, we're here at Bike Therapy with Doug. Doug, thanks for joining us today.
Hey, thanks,
Tell
John.
us about bike therapy.
Well, Bike Therapy is a new bike shop in Morgan Hill. We've been here for just 4 months now, and we are all about putting more butts on bikes. That's our main thing. We do all levels of bikes, from kids bikes to electric assist bikes for mountain and road. And we have a big new category called gravel or adventure bikes, which has been super fun. We have a full-service bike repair shop behind us. We do wheel builds, suspension overhauls, everything. Plus we have a new fit studio we're just putting in right now too. So we're gonna be able to make sure everybody has a great experience on their bike.
Cool. And that'll really fine-tune the fitting process for anyone coming in looking for a bike.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a really cool tool that Specialized has developed called Retool Match for sizing. So anybody who comes into the store now can get sized on the spot to get the right size of bike for the model they're looking for, dialing into what type of riding they're gonna do. And then in addition to that, we have our full fit studio, which once you get out there on your bike and you want to dial in all the fitting points so you don't have a lot of stress on your hands, your rear end doesn't hurt, you got the right seat height so your knees are feeling good, we do all that as well.
Great. So tell people where they can find you. Your new store here in Morgan Hill, so tell people where we're at.
We're on Depot Street, right at the Granary building. If anybody knows where the running shop and hops is, we're right in front of there, basically at the corner of Depot and First, between Main and Dunn, 1 block off Monterey. So pretty easy to find.
Cool. And you have a website, Facebook, where they can find more info online?
Our website is ridemorganhill.com, and that's all about bringing more people to Morgan Hill to ride. We have great road riding here. We have great mountain biking and lots of opportunities to do that. In addition to that, we're putting on a lot of rides for all levels of riders to get out there and be on their bikes and meet new friends.
Wonderful. All right. Well, thanks for joining us today, Doug.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks for joining us on this edition of Discover South County. If you own a local business or run a community organization and want to be featured on a future episode, give me a call, John Fagan, at 408-718-0264, or visit discoversouthcounty.com. Thank you. We'll see you on the next video.